Guys, may pinapakita sa akin si Sumit. Bagong feature na sa cellphone ko.
Training session.
Pinapakita siya.
So, you want to remove this slipper from here, right? So, press this, clean up. Oh, cannot? Maybe. I don't know how it works. But let's see.
Okay.
Remove this. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Done.
Galing ah.
No more chair.
Nice ah.
No more chair. Let's revert back. I'm not sure if we can remove everything, but
I'll figure it out. May clean up pala sa bago kong
tap,
cellphone.
press or circle that you want to remove. Pinch.
Circle?
And like this.
There, it works.
So no more
sleepers.
no more slippers.
Actually, guys, I don't
Okay.
see much difference sa aking old phone and the new phone. Walang difference.
Using this phone, it's the same thing.
Para sa akin ha, it's the
Okay.
same thing nga siya. But
No more
then,
slipper. Ooh.
Para sa akin, ang major difference na lang is yung front camera.
Yeah,
Kasi siya, pwede
it's
siyang
wide.
horizontal kahit na naka-vertical lang yung hawak mong ganyan. Kaya hindi masyadong obvious na nagre-record ka ng sarili mo kapag naka-front cam. Then, the memory. But other than that, wala. Storage ko, yun lang ang difference for me. So, kung gusto niyo mag-upgrade, hindi niya naman masyadong
That's fine.
kailangan. I don't really recommend it. But for us, we needed the space kasi. And guys, pansin nyo ba, kapag lumalabas kami, tineternohan niya yung kulay ng damit ko. Color of the day is gray, ha?
Oh yeah. Again.
Uy, charot. Charot, I showered first.
Ultrasound.
Yeah.
I won't be able to go with you.
Oh, first ultrasound ko na hindi siya
But thank
kasama.
God it's the Vancouver General Hospital. It's not in Burnaby. So it's just 10 to 15 minutes from here by bus. 10 minutes only actually.
Yeah, and the good thing is I don't have to wait anymore for the report. Yun guys, kapag naliligo ako dyan, tapos nakita niya na yung kulay ng damit ko, tapos meron siya niyan, ganun din ang susuotin niyan. Diba kahapon naka-brown ako, tinernohan niya ako ng brown din. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta, pero sabi niya ligo ka. Feel ko pupunta kami ng temple. Kasi linggo ngayon eh, wala naman kami ibang pupuntahan. Ang laki talaga ng tiyan ko guys. Ang laki. Lalo na yung sa bandang taas. Wait lang. Tada. Dito. So, feel ko nag-move na yung mga internal organs dito. Laki. Busog ka, girl. 9 weeks pa lang to. So, bigla talaga. Sabi sa akin ni Sumit, ay talaga, pag tingnan mo, after 1 month to 2 months, may bilog na yan dyan mo. Maaraw na naman and feel ko mainit sa labas. Nagja-jacket ako pero hindi yung makapal na jacket. Gumagana na yung aming dryer. So naglalaba na ako. Wala na kaming dito. Sampay-sampay sa loob ng kwarto.
You have your medicine with you today?
Not yet. Where are we going?
First,
Temple.
temple.
Oh, sabi kasi niya.
The second, near the airport, the outlet.
Nag-outlet kami. Kala mo naman.
It's very sunny, so it's gonna be nice there. One only, right? 2, 1, 2.
2-1-2. Kala ko tutuwan.
You took 2 in the morning,
Yeah.
so in the afternoon it's 1, and nighttime 2. Then tomorrow it's gonna be, I don't know, 2, 1, 1. And slowly you need to reduce.
Yung aking gamot list.
Because it's hormones, right?
Yeah.
So Jackie, you wanna go? Shad,
Your favorite.
your favorite thing ever. Shad. No. Sleep. That's what you think. Sleeping all the time for no reason. You are tired or no, it doesn't matter.
Mark Glenn, I don't know. Guys, katatapos lang namin dito sa temple. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob. Ang ganda, parang ano siya. Magpipiesta sila.
Here and there.
Yeah, may festivity next week daw.
Yeah. And then the biggest will be on 18th. The Sari.
Yeah.
The Sari one. Like
Right.
millions of people, yeah.
Nice. Daming ganap na.
On 18th.
Daming pupuntahan.
So many
Can I have the
people.
water, please?
It's gonna be full of people. Even on 11th here, it's gonna be super busy.
Ininam ko yung aking
Yes, you forgot to
DHA.
take this.
Yeah. Nalimutan ko kasi inumin yung DHA kahapon. Ayan. Ilagay na sa bag para hindi makalimutan. Busy sila rito. Nagpe-paid sila. Ayun guys. So nagpe-painting sila dun. Ng wall.
Yeah.
Preparing for the upcoming festivity.
Mass gathering, something like that.
Oh.
Nice. Look at that. So many of them.
Oh yeah. It looks better now. It used to be beige, is it? Or it became dark because
I
of
think
the...
it became dirty.
Pinipinturahan nila ng puti.
And most of those things, like people just do it for free, you know. So the temple, they don't have to spend money. Yep.
The food was good.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know now. There are
As
some
always.
food that I don't want to eat anymore.
Picky,
Yeah, starting to become picky na.
which is normal, right?
Yeah. I don't like the smell of coriander anymore. I mean, I can still eat it, but like I would force myself and then I might vomit. It's not extreme, can still control it.
Why this person wants to buy? Oh, they forgot.
Muntik na kami mabanggain na. So ngayon guys, pupunta kami dun sa, what do you call it?
Factory outlet.
Ayun.
Eon.
Ayun.
Eon is in India.
Yung malapit sa airport. Nakapunta na kami dati nung nag-vlog kami. Ang ganda niya kasi makikita mo yung mga plane na
Oh,
sobrang
very nice.
lapit lang. Like, really up close. Parang andun na sa taas mo. Kasi nga malapit siya sa airport. It's around 13 minutes drive from this temple.
It's very near. So, are you going to Philippines?
I hope so.
I'll drop you there.
Yeah, I can go. You stay here.
Yeah.
Iwan ka.
Yeah.
Hindi ka pwede umalis.
Wow.
Look
so
at
nice.
that. Yeah.
View.
Yung mountain. Hindi makita sa camera eh. Pero dito kita in person. Where's the plane? There.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah, kapag andyan ka na sa loob, para talaga nasa taas ka lang. At taas mo lang. See? It's so close. Where is it na? Where is it? There. Whee! So nice! Okay, so this one is a must-visit place.
It's nice here.
Pwede kayo mag-shopping kung may pang-shopping. Ay, ang init. Grabe. Hot, right? Hot.
It is hot.
Dito na tayo sa loob, guys. What's that? Which one? What's that? Ano pala siya? It's not factory outlet, it's designer outlet.
Yeah.
Lahat ng mga branded stuff. Do they have the Mountain Warehouse?
I think so.
Yun yung gusto niyang puntahan eh. Ako gusto ko Old Navy lang. Hello, someone's calling you Sumit.
I got scared. What is that? Oh,
You're gonna keep hearing that soon. Where? Nah.
later. We'll do this later. Before we go.
Yes. Okay, go.
Is this her?
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Meron din silang eatery. Maganda siya, guys. Yung architecture kinda looks like European, right? Banyo lang daw si Sumit. Nice. But like if
Noisy.
it's in the middle, it's gonna be even better. Let's wait for the next one.
Scary.
Dito na yung gustong puntahan ni Sumit, yung Mountain Warehouse. Yeah, kinda. Tapos na kami, guys. Ang ending, nag-order siya online. Kasi
Then I should
yung-
have done it from home.
Yung gusto niyang jacket hindi available. I wanna see the Old Navy.
On the other side, right?
Yeah.
So from this. This is what we do.
Yeah.
Just an Korean airline. Actually, they are nice.
Yeah.
I like this airline.
Wow, from here.
What is that? Oh yeah, drone.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Super good.
Nice.
So you don't want your camera anymore, right?
Yeah. Where are the other dogs? There! Oh, dog party yarn. See, look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. So cute. Guys, dito ulit kami sa labas. As usual.
Very nice.
Nanonood ng mga
Beautiful
aso.
outside.
Yeah, it's still sunny and it's kinda warm. But it's chilly at the same time. Malamig yung
Little.
hangin. Enjoying?
Oh yeah. Look at them.
Yeah.
So many of them.
Nice, right? Oh, wow.
Oh.
Hey, this is only 4. Wait. Where is it? Ooh.
Oh my god, the third one.
Hey, it's so cute. Nice. Punta kami Dalarama, guys. Magtitingin lang ng something. Tsaka inumin na rin siguro for tomorrow. Guys, may nakita akong ka-up. Meron kasi akong gustong gawin.
Oh, you like that?
No, I wanted to do something. The mom, dad.
Why we cannot just buy it? I'm pretty sure they have it on Amazon.
Yeah, they have it on Amazon. Not sure. Naghanap si Sumit ng trackpad. Yeah.
Yeah, you can choose the not racist. This one.
I like the gray.
This one?
What do you think? Guys, ang ganda!
So nice. Lights.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so nice.
See the flowers, guys.
So nice.
Nice, right? We're gonna walk back na then for today's walk. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Manonood kami ngayon. Time to chillax naman. Sobrang init sa labas.
Yeah, it is hot.
Yeah. It's only 1:50. Nakauwi na kami.
I think later we should go for a walk.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's go. See, the weather is so nice and we are inside the house. I don't know why you don't like sun.
Tired? It's
I can sit under the sun whole day.
Oh yeah, you can. I cannot. Sabi ko kay Sumit, hindi ko kailangan ng araw kasi iitim ako pag ano. Di ba meron mga ano? Kapag malapit na kabuhanan mo, mga 3rd trimester yata, magkakaroon ka na ng itim dito, itim dyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, iitim ako.
So, Avatar is done.
Yeah.
What else?
They're all good for me.
So, which one? Is it English?
Yeah, English.
Come sapevi che era all'hotel Nick?
Nood lang kami. Ha? What?
Avanti, fallo.
Why?
Che cosa? Cosa aspetti? Dai, facciamo finita.
I knew it.
Ay, hindi English.
Facciamo un attacco d'ansia mentre aspetto che premi.
It's fine. I'll download that one.
Hindi English.
So, which one? You have other choices.
Creme 101.
Sure?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Nice. Nice.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Yep.
May dumating na delivery, guys. Yung keyboard. Tas yung SD card. What is
It's
this?
written here SD card. SSD.
SSD. It's just missing one more S. SSD. Wala. Ayan. Di ba binubuo niya nga yung aking setup dyan sa computer area?
Yeah, we are gonna return this because our laptop is not compatible with, I don't know, like high speed something. So the maximum speed we get is this one, 1,000 some megabytes. But this one can go up to 2,000 megabytes per second. But the laptop doesn't support. So this is the best for our laptop. You're gonna get the trackpad by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Then the set is complete.
Nice. Yeah, ayan guys. Keyboard. It's Mac, Apple too, right?
Yeah.
Kita lang ako. Naantok. So yung ano lang kung kulang yung computer chair tsaka yung adjustable table na umaakit.
Yeah, it's gonna be better, right? If you have those things.
Next time na yun.
But
Wala
then we
nang
have to have
space
our
eh.
own
Yeah.
space.
To
No more
follow.
space here.
To follow na lang. Same.
Baby one.
Ganda lang yung movie na pinapanood namin, Crime 101. It's nice, right?
Hmm?
It's
The
good.
movie, yeah.